How does the code we write as humans get translated into commands that run inside applications, like computers, mobile apps, and websites? Everything a computer does starts with electricity. At the lowest level, computers only understand binary, zeros and ones. These are simply electrical signals on or off. These signals are grouped into sets of 8 bits called a byte. Each unique combination represents a character, like letters, numbers, or symbols from any language. When we combine characters together, we form words. Words then become sentences, which become instructions. When we write lots of instructions in the correct order, using the specific words a programming language has predefined, we create a program. Programming languages allow us humans to command computers to perform tasks for us and can become software, apps, or websites. While different programming languages may look different, they often share the same conceptual programming blocks, like variables, loops, functions, and decision statements. Only the way the language is written, its syntax, is what changes. This can make it easy to learn multiple programming languages, but computers themselves still don't understand these words or programs directly. So special software, called a compiler or an interpreter, translates our code into binary instructions. The computer's CPU can then understand these binary instructions and carry out the tasks we've asked it to perform. So in simple terms, programming is a bridge between human thinking and machine execution.